In this video, I'll show you how to configure and sync Metafields between Shopify and Odoo using the TeqStars Shopify Connector. Let's get started. Let's start with the configuration. Go to the Overview screen and click your instance name. Your instance level configuration will open. Now open the Metafields tab. Here you'll find a toggle called Enable Metafield Functionality. Turn this on to reveal the Metafield configuration options. Now let's set up a Metafield resource. A resource represents the type of record whose metafields you want to sync, such as product metafields, variant metafields, order metafields, customer metafields. You also enable the sync option to allow the import and export of metafields for this resource. Click the Fetch Metafield Definitions button. This pulls the Metafield definitions directly from your Shopify store, so you don't have to enter them manually. Now open the Metafields mapping for this resource. Here you can see the list of metafields fetched from Shopify. For each metafield, you'll see its name, its namespace and key, for example money, and its type. Here you can see the Odoo field. When you click this, you select Odoo field from the Odoo model, a field whose type matches the Shopify field type. This maps each Shopify metafield to the corresponding Odoo field, so the connector knows where to read and write the value in Odoo. Now enable the active option on the metafields you want to include. Here you can see the status was changed. Now let's see it in action. First, let's open a listing. Click the main menu at the top and then click the sub-menu All Listing. Here, all the listings are available. Let me open any one listing for the demo. First, let's open this listing in the Marketplace by clicking the Show in Marketplace button. Here, you can see the listing is open in the real store. Now scroll down and find the Product Metafields section. Here, you can see the metafield named Money. Now let me update its value here. When you update the value here, it is updated in Odoo, in the field we configured. Now go back to our ERP. Here you can see a button called Sync to Odoo. Click it. When you click this, it updates the Odoo listing with the value that changed in Shopify. To open this listing's Odoo product, click here. Here the Odoo product opens and you can see the mapped field value was updated. Now let me update this value here in Odoo, so it changes in our store. Now go to the listing by clicking here and click Sync to Shopify. This updates the value in Shopify with the value that changed in the listing. Here you can see the listing was updated. Now open this product in your Shopify store and refresh it. Find the Metafield block. Here you can see the money value was updated successfully. That completes the Metafield configuration and sync. That's how you can configure and sync metafields between Shopify and Odoo using the TeqStars Shopify Connector. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.